Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your digital gauge on your 2013 Porsche Cayenne GTS. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the right side of the steering wheel, and once we get to the right side of the steering wheel, what you can do is you can just scroll with the scrolling bar right here. And basically it gives you a special shortcut for everything that your car needs, such as vehicle, audio, phone, trip, tire pressure, and stuff like that. And basically it gives you a brief overview of what's going on, like your temperature, the audio, the music station that you're playing with, phone, like whoever's calling you, maybe you had a missed call or something, your trip, how many miles you had, and tire pressure. And yeah, that is pretty much it on this tutorial. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.